Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to purchase your Peru phone number from KrispCall. To buy the Peruvian phone number from KrispCall, go to krispcall.com and either sign up or log in. Access My Numbers by clicking the plus icon or navigating through Settings. Click on Purchase New Number. Select Peru from the list of countries. Note that only toll-free numbers are available in Peru. Choose the desired number and click Buy Number. Name your chosen number and add it to your cart. You must submit a copy of your ID to our customer department to get Peru's phone number. Click on Confirm Purchase. After the activation of your Peru phone number, you can make and receive calls. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like Unified Call Box, Global Calling, Text Messages, Voicemail, Multi-Level IVR, Call Analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.